What makes these 10 car crashes the most shocking and expensive in movie history? Simple. They're the ultimate examples of automotive heartbreak, and no one mastered the art of destruction better than Hollywood filmmakers and reckless drivers with deep pockets. We're not talking about fender benders or parking lot dings. These are the jaw-dropping, multi-million-dollar disasters, rare hypercars, iconic movie stunts, and collector-grade classics turned into scrap metal in seconds. From diamond-encrusted Lycan hypersports to Ferraris worth more than your house, get ready to witness the most expensive car crashes ever caught on camera. Number 10, the Dodge Charger. Crash value, $100,000+. Starting our countdown at number 10, we've got the American muscle icon, the Dodge Charger. This beast was featured in several Fast and Furious movies, but the most insane destruction happened in Fast 7. In the movie, Dominic Toretto, played by Vin Diesel, put this V8 monster through absolute hell in Abu Dhabi. The team behind Fast and Furious has never been shy about destroying expensive machinery, and this Charger was no exception. With its aggressive front end and that signature muscle car growl, seeing this American icon get completely wrecked is enough to make any car enthusiast shed a tear. But hey, that's just the beginning of our countdown.
They tried going faster. They hooked it up to cables on the side. They rammed it again, yanked the cables. Car skidded, car turned around, would not flip over.
Number 9, the Audi R8. Crash value, $163,000. Coming in at number 9, we have this stunning German engineering masterpiece, the Audi R8. This car was famously featured in the Iron Man movies as Tony Stark's ride of choice, and for good reason. What makes this crash particularly painful is how Marvel decided that wrecking this beautiful machine was just chicken change in their massive production budget. In fact, the Iron Man producers destroyed this and other vehicles, totaling over $5.86 million. The R8's sleek design and cutting-edge technology make it one of the most respected supercars on the market. Seeing it destroyed might hurt, but at least the movie racked up more than $500 million at the box office. I guess that's what they call a return on investment. Number 8, 1967 Corvette Stingray. Crash value, $200,000+. At number 8, we've got the iconic 1967 Corvette Stingray. This American classic has been featured in countless films, and with good reason. The most memorable destruction of this beauty happened in the movie Con Air, where this gorgeous Chevy got hooked onto a flying plane before slamming into a tall watchtower and getting absolutely crushed. The scene left Nicolas Cage's character furious, and car lovers everywhere shared his pain. With its distinctive body shape and powerful V8 engine, the Stingray was aptly named for its stinging performance. Today, pristine examples can fetch hundreds of thousands of dollars at auction, making this crash a seriously expensive piece of cinema history. Number 7, the Bentley Continental GT. Crash value, $264,000. Lucky number 7 brings us to the epitome of luxury, the Bentley Continental GT. This British masterpiece is a favorite among the business elite and celebrities for its perfect blend of performance and luxury. In the comedy movie The Longest Yard, Adam Sandler takes this magnificent machine on a police chase that ends, well, not so great for the Bentley. The filmmakers had a budget of over $82 million, so destroying a $250,000 car was apparently no big deal. With its handcrafted interior and turbocharged engine, the Continental GT represents automotive artistry at its finest. Watching one get demolished is like seeing someone use a Picasso for a doormat. Number 6, Lamborghini Huracan. Crash value, $274,000. At number 6, we have the stunning Italian beast, the Lamborghini Huracan. Named after fighting bulls, this car lives up to its aggressive namesake with a stunning V10 engine and performance that can make your head spin. In Marvel's Doctor Strange, the filmmakers decided that Benedict Cumberbatch's surgeon character needed to crash this magnificent machine to set up his character's journey. The accident scene is absolutely brutal, showing the Huracan getting destroyed. Even the Pope owned one of these amazing Italian machines at some point, which tells you just how special they truly are. With a price tag of $274,000, this crash definitely made Lamborghini enthusiasts around the world wince in pain. Number 5. Lamborghini Murcielago LP640. Crash value $311,000. Halfway through our countdown at number 5, we have another Italian thoroughbred, the Lamborghini Murcielago LP640. Featured in The Dark Knight, Bruce Wayne, played by Christian Bale, veers off the road and crashes this dark gray Lamborghini right into a truck. It was a deliberate sacrifice in the film, but it's still painful to watch. Powered by a monstrous V12 engine that can push this bull to speeds of 330 kilometers an hour, the Murcielago was one of Lamborghini's most prolific creations. The price tag of $311,000 seems almost reasonable when you consider the engineering masterpiece that was sacrificed for our entertainment. Number 4. Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Crash value $2.2 million. At number 4, we're really entering the really painful territory with this ultra-rare Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. This isn't just an expensive car, it's automotive royalty due to its extreme rarity. Only 3 were ever made. Featured in the movie Need for Speed, this carbon fiber masterpiece was actually destroyed on camera. According to the director, every single car crash in the film was real, no CGI tricks here. The name Sesto Elemento means sixth element in Italian, referring to carbon on the periodic table, a nod to its revolutionary carbon fiber construction that makes it weigh just 2,202 pounds. Lamborghini officially priced these beauties at $2.2 million each when they were released. The car is so exclusive that the movie producers had to sign non-disclosure agreements just to get the CAD blueprints to recreate it. Number 3. Lykan Hypersport. Crash value $3.4 million. Breaking into our top 3 is the number 3 car, and it's the exotic Lykan Hypersport. This is the first sports car produced in the United Arab Emirates, specifically in Lebanon, and stands as one of the most expensive production cars in the world. Featured in Fast and Furious 7, this ultra-rare hypercar gets the royal treatment, and by royal, I mean utterly destroyed. In an absolutely insane scene, Paul Walker and Vin Diesel steal this red beast from a prince in Abu Dhabi and proceed to jump it between 3 skyscrapers before it meets its ultimate doom. What makes this crash particularly painful? The car features about 420 precious stones, actual diamonds in the headlights, which explains its eye-watering $3.4 million price tag. With a twin-turbo flat-six engine producing 780 horsepower and a top speed of 245 miles per hour, this fearless machine was one of only 7 examples ever built. Number 2. The Aston Martin DB10. Crash value $4.3 million. Coming in at number 2, we have the stunning Aston Martin DB10 from the James Bond film Spectre. This sleek British masterpiece was created specifically for the film, making it not just rare, but genuinely special. What makes this crash story absolutely mind-blowing isn't just that they wrecked one of these beautiful machines. The filmmakers destroyed 7 of them. The total damage? A heart-stopping $34 million worth of Aston Martins turned into very expensive movie props. Each DB10 features a 4.7-liter V8 engine that sends 420 horsepower to the rear wheels, delivering that signature Aston Martin blend of luxury and performance. With its distinctive shark-like front end and clean muscular lines, it's one of the most striking modern Astons ever created. Only 10 of these cars were ever made exclusively for the movie, making this possibly one of the most exclusive car demolition derbies in cinema history.
Nice.
Number 1, 1961 Ferrari 250 GT. Crash value? Over $10 million. And finally, at number 1, we have the legendary 1961 Ferrari 250 GT. This Italian masterpiece was featured in the classic 1986 teen movie Ferris Bueller's Day Off, where it met an unfortunate end. What makes this particularly devastating is that today, these ultra-rare Ferraris can sell for over $10 million at auction. In fact, similar models have sold for up to $70 million in recent years, making this possibly the most valuable car ever deliberately crashed for entertainment. With its timeless design and racing pedigree, the 250 GT represents a golden era of Ferrari production. Its outstanding turbo engine was efficient during racing without any special modifications, and the convertible design was adored by collectors worldwide. Seeing one destroyed, even for a beloved movie, feels like watching someone burn a priceless piece of automotive history. That distinctive red Ferrari plunging through the glass garage in Ferris Bueller's Day Off might be an iconic movie moment, but it's also the single most expensive car crash in cinematic history. And there you have it, the top 10 most expensive cars ever crashed on camera. Next time you're worried about a tiny scratch on your car, just remember at least you didn't wreck a $10 million Ferrari or a diamond-encrusted Lykan Hypersport. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more automotive content just like this. Drop a comment below telling me which crash hurt your soul the most, and until next time, drive safe and keep your supercars away from all of these movie directors. Like, seriously, I don't understand what they were thinking. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.